Hi guys, well we're back at our favorite spot here in Oakdale, Wisconsin, getting some fuel. We're filling up, it's $3.28 here a gallon, and we're filling up for $2.89 a gallon. So it's up a little bit. I fueled up last week for $2.64 a gallon. That was in Marion, Iowa, though. That's using the Mud Flap app, so I'll show you guys how much I've saved on that now. You go ahead. I always put the link down in the description of my videos, and I also pin a comment with the link there. So I'll show you how much you can save with that, how much I've saved just over the last couple months. And if you sign up using the link that I provided, you get $10 of free fuel on your first fuel up. So, hey, what the heck, why not grab some free fuel? So we're gonna get this old girl fueled up here. I ran her pretty low, making her over this way. It's like the cheapest fuel I could find, really anywhere near where I'm gonna be the next couple days. So, all right guys, well, we just got loaded up here in Lincoln, Nebraska at Smithfield Farms. Took them a long time, tell you that, for free. But they're nice people here. I tried to go over to the guard shack and ask him how long it was gonna take, but he was about the only real uncooperative one. You know, everybody seems real nice here. I was gonna back into the door if any of you ever been here. I got door 14, which is a real tight spot over there. You can see that building right there. It's almost lined up with it, so I was gonna blindside it in. And the guy actually came out and was real nice, and he just said, hey, we could actually just have our shake truck back that in for you. And I was like, oh, sweet. So that's what they did. Well, you guys, so this, like one of my first cattle hauling videos, right? I was coming back from Illinois. I took the road that my GPS told me to take, and that's the road it was right there. I never thought, back then I had no idea where I was at, but now that I've driven this way a lot more, that's where it was. I got stuck way back there, and it was such a disaster, you guys. If you want to go back and watch that video, you can see how bad it was and just how stupid I was to even go that way. I missed the turn where I was supposed to take a left on, I think it's like Highway 56 or whatever that is. And that showed that it led right back over to 56, but it ended up only leading to 56 if you took a road that didn't even exist once you got down there. So anyways, go and check that video out. That was such a to get out because they're both over there right now, but the driver here, the Walmart, I don't think it's Walmart, it's like the yard jockey or whatever, just totally crunched this guy's hood, which is weird because there's so much space to be moving around. I'll show you guys here once they pull away. That sucks, man. All right, well, they're on the other side of the truck, but you can see here, crunched. That is not good. I'm not really sure what happened, if he was just going up to pull up and just didn't look in his mirror. But what was weird is this guy was actually stopped. And I heard a couple horn honks, but then this guy was in the back. So it was almost like he honked his horn. I don't know if he accidentally let off his brake. Just crunched it though. Dang. Shit happens out here, guys. Gotta watch what you're doing. I can't say I'm perfect either. There was definitely a time I was getting loaded up in Illinois and Lions Cold Storage. I had my trailer axles all the way slid to the front of the trailer. I don't remember why. I think I thought it would be easier to back in, but anyways, they were still slid to the front up here when I pulled out. And it's really tight if any of you guys ever been over there. And basically he was here and I had to swing out that way. And there was a guy on the other side of me as well. And I couldn't basically just turn out. So I came over like this and then turned out. Well, if you guys know, when you have your trailer axles all the way to the front like that, that back end swings out. So I turned after I went over like that, so my axle's already closer to him, and when I swung like that, it came around and smacked the guy's mirror, and it just knocked the cap off, fortunately. But that's how stuff happens. It's just so quick, and you don't really think about it until it does happen. So watch what you're doing out here. Make sure that you're always paying attention to your mirrors, and remember, if you got your axle slid forward as well, know that trailer is going to swing around. And for instance, I could pull out and turn too soon, and that trailer axle or the back of the trailer would swipe this trailer. So anyways, crazy. It's been just a weird couple months. Well, you know we're doing it right. We put 250 gallons in, and our tank usable gallons is 132. So we had about what? I can't think right now. 132.60. So like 14 gallons left on the tank, which I mean that's a little ways, but that's definitely starting to hit the bottom.